Hey, welcome back, Gunpowder Therapy. Told y'all I was gonna try to do a couple videos a day. It's been a couple weeks since I've been out here. I wanna shoot. And I know y'all miss me and the videos we putting out. Hey, today I just got a couple extra things that I'm gonna shoot just to have fun. I got something that you ain't seen for a little while. I got two of them y'all ain't seen. So, we're just gonna come out here, have a good time, stay, enjoy, shoot. Smell the powder with us. Not sniff the powder, smell the powder. So, before we get started, we gotta do our positive word. And that positive word is your mindset is crucial to your success. Hey, wherever your mind is, determines where you're gonna go. So, your mindset determines how well you do in your relationship, in your friendships, in life, at your job, everywhere. It's your mind. Think positive, be positive. If y'all have any positive words that y'all want to share with anybody, leave it down there in the comments. I'll pick one and I'll put it on the next video, and I'll give you a shout out for giving me that positive word to spread out to people. Okay? So, without any further ado, we gonna get to shooting. So, when was the last time y'all seen the ARP? It's been a minute. So, as y'all see, gonna lock it back. Nothing in the chamber. No mag. But it's been a minute. So we fixing to shoot this a few times a day. And I got a couple other ones out here, and we gonna shoot it. Now, I don't know how much I'll be able to shoot that steel target down there with this. It is a pistol. It's a little bit shorter. It loses velocity. But I'm not trying to ding up my target too much. But I still want to be in the camera and let y'all see the target. So we just gonna see. I'm gonna try to stand as far back as I can with the target right there where it's at. And we're gonna see what happens. So, here we go. Our first set of rounds in the ARP. There we go. And for all the safety police, it's a hill. Nobody out here. Nobody out here. I'm gonna go down here and see what the target look like. Like I said, I ain't trying to ding it up too much. That's not bad here. Not bad coming out the ARP. So, we're just gonna shoot this a few times. Then I also have my 19 that I carry. So I'm finna load up a few more, shoot it, and have some fun. Need to make my hole bigger. Hey, if you got an ARP, what do y'all got on yours? Y'all got a red dot? What y'all got on it? Just added things that y'all added. I just have the basic rear sight. The PSA upper. Let me try some. Oh, you can't do that. I miss. Y'all think I can hit it holding it down like Tony Montana? Try to hold it at my waist. Why? Just cause. Is it safe? Yeah. It's not like I'm trying to hit a target that has people behind it. So, you try it, see what happens. Three times. Oh. There you go. Safety police. Some of y'all probably seen it, some of y'all not. I find it funny. But that's it. 3 out of 5 times hit the target. Down here. Not too bad. So, y'all seen this X1? We have it out often. They are 15 rifle. PSA upper. Hey, it's cheap, but it works and it's reliable. So, a lot of y'all can talk about it. It's alright, but it's reliable. I can buy a couple of them for what you buy for yours. Go double check my target. Make sure we ain't got no dings at this distance. Cause the first time I was a little close. One. It's a little bit. It's not too bad. Probably could go back a little bit farther. But hey. Load up a few more. I think that's right. I can't count today, y'all. So what y'all think about these videos? Just shooting around. Y'all enjoy them? Shooting different rifles. Well, I only got 2. I might bring that one out here next time. It's been a while since y'all seen that. And yes, I will shoot my carrier a few times. You know you always gotta do that. I ain't do what I was supposed to do. But it's alright. Try it again. Try it again. No, don't shoot, man. Something about the round, y'all. YouTube. Yes, this is a standard mag. Before somebody try to complain. Hopefully I wasn't too far out the picture. Oops. Damn. I hit that. It ain't that bad. I clipped the edge. And that's why you should shoot at a distance with rifle rounds. But it's alright, I get me another little bolt. Haven't shot it with a 7.62 yet. That one's gonna have to be at a distance. Y'all remember this? Matter of fact, let me spray that up. Y'all ever wonder what the spread, birdshot spread look like? We fixing to see. Let's see what the spread of birdshot look like from about 10 yards. See how lethal it is while you're hunting. We're at about 10 yards. Can y'all see? Yeah. Y'all want to see that? Y'all gonna be surprised? Here we go. It'll hurt. But how lethal, I don't know. Something small, like a squirrel or a dove. But do y'all want to pick them BBs out? I don't know. We're gonna throw a couple more rounds out. Some people curious what it looks like. That's why I'm just showing the target. But there y'all go. There y'all go. Let the wire. A wire. How do y'all feel about it? Do y'all think, what do y'all use for home defense? Do y'all use a semi-auto pistol, a shotgun, or a rifle for home defense? Let me know. I have different views on that. Shotgun is good. A pistol is less mess. Shotgun be more accurate. So let me know what y'all got. We're gonna send a few more shotgun down range. Send this down range and we're gonna do our carry. All right. Y'all know this one. I have it often. Glock 19. This feels small. Glock 19. FMJ. Nothing in the chamber. Yes, I changed it when I got here. So, finna shoot a few rounds through this. I guess that'd be it for the video. What are y'all's daily carry? Your EDC. What do y'all like? What do you want to EDC? Leave it down there in the comments. Let me know. I'm trying to get y'all to talk back to me. I like to interact with y'all. I like to know y'all opinions. And how do y'all feel about stuff? I like to have a conversation. Let's have it. They come to get the trash. Let's have it. So, questions, comments, anything, leave it down there in the comments. I'll do what I can to answer them. We'll have a conversation. There we go. I'm go down there and spray it real quick. It looks black, I can see it, but I want to see where my shot's going. Hey, if y'all like this video or like any of the content that I put up, like the video. Y'all can comment, subscribe if you want to see more. I try to put content out often. I try to do it every week. But with this range, the way it's set up, for the public, it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, it's hard to get out here during the week. And then when it rains, it kills it. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Not too bad. Oh. Y'all ain't hear that. I keep dropping rounds all day today. Something ain't seeing right. Well, folks, that's the end of this video. Came out here. We smelled a little gunpowder. We got our fix in for the week. It's been a while. I appreciate y'all enjoying us. Appreciate y'all joining us. Come back next week where we'll have another video of something. Oh, I forgot to do something real quick. Hold on. Target. Hey, y'all look down range. Right there. That's where my target was. Y'all watch. That was that old can. Hey, thank you for watching. Come back next week. We'll have another video. Remember, always carry, be safe. Let's keep the Second Amendment alive. Second Amendment alive. We love y'all.